we're going to be learning how to test resistance on a AC compressor. We're going to learn how to engage the clutch manually to verify that it's working. We have a Chevy S10 here today. If you come over here, right here, you have an AC compressor right here. In order to engage it manually, you want to get some leads. You want to connect it. Once you have everything hooked up, you're gonna come over here. You gotta find out which one's your ground and which one's your power. Once you have everything hooked up, you're gonna come to your compressor over here, connect one of your leads, and you should hear your compressor clicking. And that's how you activate it manually. Now we're gonna check resistance on the same compressor right here. You're gonna get both of your test leads for your ohms and your voltmeter. You wanna make sure it's on the ohm symbol right there. And you should have 0 resistance. Switch them over.
Recirculation mode.
Oh, that's the one where you can do the cabin before it recirculate inside the cabin or from the outside duct.
Outside air mode. So the cycling though, is that the one, the recirculation or the outside? We're gonna do recirculation. No, it didn't give me an off pressure. I said pressure on both sides.
And now see we get 0 resistance.